What's the meaning of baptismal? Baptismal. Baptismal.
Baptismal. Baptismal. The term baptismal typically refers to anything relating to or associated with the sacrament of baptism in the Christian religion. This can include things like baptismal gowns, baptismal fonts, or baptismal certificates. The act of baptism itself is a symbolic representation of cleansing or purification, and is often seen as a way to initiate a person into the church and into a life of faith. In some denominations, infant baptism is practiced as a way to ensure that the child is brought up within the faith from an early age. Overall, the significance of baptismal practices may vary between different Christian communities and traditions.